For as long as humanity has looked upward, the universe has guarded its secrets, vast, silent, and beyond imagination. For centuries, whispers from the dark have dared us to uncover what lies hidden among the stars. Yet sometimes, the answers we find don't just expand our knowledge, they overturn it. Recently, the most advanced eye ever created by humankind, the James Webb Space Telescope, captured something that has left astronomers stunned. Its latest data seems to defy the very logic that defines the cosmos. Some scientists now believe we may need to rethink one of the cornerstones of modern physics, the Big Bang theory itself. Dr. Joel Rowand, one of the researchers involved, described it as a cosmic disappearance. Webb's newest deep field scans revealed something unimaginable: the apparent vanishing of nearly 900 trillion stars. Entire clusters of light that once glowed in earlier surveys are now missing, gone as if erased from existence. The universe, it seems, has quietly lost a piece of itself. For over 2 years, the $10 billion James Webb Telescope has been studying the heavens, surpassing even the legendary Hubble. It sees farther, deeper, and with more clarity than any instrument before it, reaching through clouds of dust and time itself to glimpse the dawn of creation. When Webb began detecting long-wavelength infrared light in mid-2022, astronomers expected to witness the birthplaces of the first stars. Instead, they found absence. Thousands of galaxies had dimmed or vanished completely. This disappearance raised one haunting question: where did they go? Two major theories attempt to explain the mystery, and both are unsettling. The first suggests that the stars are not gone at all, they've simply transformed. Perhaps many died quietly, collapsing straight into black holes without the fireworks of a supernova. If so, then hidden across the darkness are countless invisible giants, devouring light and leaving no trace of what once was. But the second possibility is far more disturbing: that the universe itself is fading away. Maybe regions of spacetime are slipping beyond our view faster than we can comprehend. Perhaps these stars have not died, they've simply crossed beyond the horizon of visibility, carried away by an expansion faster than light itself. A century ago, scientists discovered that galaxies were moving away from us, not flying through space, but carried apart by the expansion of space itself. And 2 decades ago, they learned something even stranger: that this expansion is accelerating. This means that every second, galaxies move farther away, some so fast that even light will never bridge the gap again. When we observe distant galaxies, we are seeing them not as they are now, but as they were millions or billions of years ago. As their light travels toward us, the universe stretches, pulling that light into longer, redder wavelengths. This phenomenon is called redshift, a cosmic fingerprint of expansion. It's not just distance that separates us from these galaxies, it's the growing fabric of the universe itself. This redshift also reveals what the cosmos is made of: about 68% dark energy, the mysterious force driving expansion, 27% dark matter, the invisible glue holding galaxies together, and less than 5% normal matter. Everything from stars to planets to people. Using Einstein's theory of general relativity, scientists can simulate the universe's future, and the outcome is chilling. As dark energy grows stronger, more galaxies will drift beyond reach. Once they cross a certain boundary, their light can never return to us again. Our observable universe spans about 46 billion light-years, yet most of it is already slipping away. Astronomers estimate that only around 6% of galaxies remain visible or reachable. Every second, tens of thousands of stars cross that invisible line, their light lost forever. Think about that. Right now, entire worlds are fading from view, never to be seen again. Their beauty, their stories, their very existence will vanish from every telescope and every future sky. It's a powerful reminder that our window into the cosmos is temporary. If humanity ever dreams of exploring beyond our local group, the Milky Way, Andromeda, and a handful of small galaxies, time is not on our side. With every passing moment, the universe moves farther beyond our reach. Of the 2 trillion galaxies that once shimmered across the observable universe, only a small fraction now remains within reach of our most powerful telescopes, within what astronomers call the cosmic horizon, the final boundary of visibility, the edge where light itself can no longer find its way to us. The rest, nearly 94% of the cosmos, has already slipped away, fading beyond the limits of human perception, drawn outward by the invisible hand of a force we barely understand, dark energy. It is a quiet erasure, slow and unstoppable. Whole galaxies, each containing billions of suns, are vanishing from our view, not because they have died, but because the fabric of space itself is stretching faster than light can travel. They are still out there, burning in the infinite dark, but their light will never reach us again. In the distant future, every galaxy beyond our local cluster will disappear completely. The grand web of the universe, once alive with endless light, will dissolve into isolation. Only our local group of stars will remain, the Milky Way, Andromeda, and a few small companions, drifting together through an ocean of absolute black. No signals will come. No light will return. Only silence and the faint, fading memory of everything that once was. This is the final destiny written into the very equations of physics, an ending not of fire and destruction, but of cold expansion and eternal separation. The gravity that once held creation together is losing its ancient battle. Galaxies will fade from view. Stars will burn out. Worlds will fall dark, their remnants scattered across the deep. Even black holes, those eternal guardians of gravity, will eventually evaporate, releasing their final whispers of radiation into nothingness. The last traces of light will flicker, and the universe will drift into what scientists call the heat death, a state of perfect stillness where energy is evenly spread and nothing more can ever happen. Yet, within this haunting fate lies something deeply beautiful. It reminds us that everything, every planet, every star, every heartbeat, exists in a precious, fleeting moment between darkness and dawn. It reminds us to cherish every spark, every faint glow that reaches our eyes from across billions of years. Each photon of starlight is a messenger, a fragment of history traveling through time to tell us that once, somewhere, something burned bright. Every mystery we unravel, every discovery we make, happens within this fragile window, a small moment in cosmic history before the universe grows silent forever. When we lift our eyes to the night sky, we are not just looking outward into space. We are looking backward in time, across ancient eras when the first stars were born and galaxies began to spin. Each glimmer we see tonight may already be gone, its light a final echo, a farewell from a world that no longer exists. And yet, it still reaches us, a whisper across eternity, a promise that nothing truly disappears as long as its light endures. So when you stand beneath the stars, remember, you are witnessing the history of the universe written in beams of ancient light. Every star is a message from the past, a final flicker from an age that may already be lost beyond the cosmic horizon. If you felt wonder in this journey through space and time, if you've glimpsed the beauty of our fragile universe, then give this story your light. Like, share, and subscribe for more explorations into the mysteries of existence, as we continue to listen to the last whispers of a universe still telling its story, before the lights finally fade. Thank you for watching.